In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Make.com to Google Drive. By the end, you'll have a working connection so your automations can watch, upload, or download files from your drive reliably. We'll start inside your Make.com dashboard. Begin by creating a new workflow. Click Create Scenario. A scenario is simply an automation flow made of modules that talk to your apps. Giving it a clear name will help you recognize it later, especially if you build multiple automations. Now add the Google side of things. In the module picker, use the search bar and type Google Drive. Select the Google Drive app so you can attach it to your scenario. This is the tool that will handle your files. Before it can do anything, choose what you want Google Drive to do. You'll be prompted to select an action. Pick what fits your use case, such as watch files, upload a file, or download a file. Watch files is great when you want the scenario to react whenever something new appears in a folder. Upload a file lets Make.com send files from another app into Drive. Download a file pulls a file from Drive so another module can use it. After choosing, you'll see fields related to that action, like selecting a folder or specifying a file. You can adjust those after connecting your account. To let Make.com talk to your Drive, you need to authorize it. In the connection field of the Google Drive module, click Create a Connection. A Google sign-in window will open. Sign in to your Google account that holds the files or folders you plan to use. If you use multiple accounts, double-check you're picking the right one to avoid permission issues later. Google will then show a permissions screen. Click Allow to give Make.com access to Google Drive. This enables the actions you selected. You can always review or revoke this access from your Google account security settings later. But for now, allowing access is required for the scenario to function. With the module configured and authorized, it's time to confirm everything works. Click Run once. Make.com will execute the scenario one time and report back. If you chose watch files, you may need to add a test file to the target folder to see a result. For upload a file or download a file, confirm the source and destination are correct so the test completes successfully. When you see a successful run, your connection is set and ready to build on. That's it. Your Google Drive is now connected to Make.com and ready for automation. Thanks for watching.